We've been working and training our techs, and one of the things we're telling them, don't use extra jargon, just keep it simple.
Interesting. Yeah.
But also give them ballparks. So I mean, price is going to come up at some point, right, in our estimate. But they are going to ask, but we tell them just ballpark it, but be high. Sometimes our estimates may come a little lower, and they may be shocked, like, wow, I was expecting a higher price.
Yeah.
But have that fear of estimating and giving them a ballpark, because it puts them at ease, because then they realize, well, maybe other companies are going to be about this price range as well.